Hi everyone, it's Vitasta. Welcome back to my channel. I just did my skincare and I wanted to talk about something. So in this video, I'll get real about skincare and the most common skin issue, that is acne. Now when you think of acne, you mostly think about those inflammatory red bumps on your skin, which you also call as pimples, but we don't realize how often acne actually comes around in our lives. Your occasional zits that may come right before an important event, or constant blackheads on your nose, or your little bumps on your skin that are also whiteheads. All of that is acne. Even your post-acne scars and hyperpigmentation is all a part of an acne's life cycle. Acne could be a trigger in so many people's lives. It's actually very life-altering thing. It shatters people's confidence when they're not confident in their own skin. A lot of people will do everything and anything and the acne still won't go. It will keep coming back. It happens to a lot of people. The only way to normalize it is to accept that everyone faces acne in one or the other way. It's a common issue for every age, every skin type, and the first step you want to do in your anti-acne journey is to accept yourself as you are and be kind to yourself and your skin. That's the first most important step. Now first you have to identify the trigger, like what is triggering your skin. Whenever I have some acne breakouts, I first find out what am I doing wrong. Am I eating something wrong? Am I not sleeping properly? Did I touch my face with dirty hands, or my periods are coming? Triggers are present all around us: high body heat, hormones, skin type, even external triggers like stress, pollution, skin damage, excessive use of makeup, etc. Whatever makes your pores clogged and produces excess sebum, and that gets trapped in your clogs and it just becomes acne. Maybe not pimples, but in the form of whiteheads and blackheads and bumps on your skin, etc. Commonly, there are 4 stages of acne, and understanding what stage you're at can help you choose the right products for yourself. The first step is already having an acne prone or oily skin, or just oily or greasy, T-zone, chin, this area, or just sensitive skin that is prone to breakouts. The second stage is clogged pores, where skin produces excess sebum and creates all the blackheads and whiteheads that are ready to become pimples anytime. The third stage is actual breakout, which you call common acne. Bacteria in your clogged pores actually results in those inflammatory red bumps called as pimples. The fourth stage is post-breakout stage, where the pimples have faded away but they have left acne scars on your skin, dark spots, and hyperpigmented skin overall. If you know me or have been following me on my channel for a while, I am very particular about my skincare. I make sure to do my CTM, cleansing, toning, moisturizing, every single day and night, along with targeted serums depending on what kind of issue I am facing at that time, and that has helped me and my skin immensely, to be honest. But I'm a human, I make mistakes. Sometimes I use wrong products that are not meant to be used on my skin, or I make something that I'm not supposed to, etc. Because I think the skincare thing these days is very confusing and generalized, especially when it comes to something like acne. It's super generalized, like you do not know what exactly you need to put on your skin. They say that they will clear your skin, they'll remove dead cells, they will make it brighter, make it softer, etc. But pinpointing on that particular acne stage, I have not really found out until now. And even if you do find out your particular skincare routine, it is very time consuming and it requires a lot of expert research to do that. So let's say for me, I am currently on stage 2 of acne. I'm mostly always on stage 2. My skin may look clear from that distance, but it has a lot of white bumps, invisible bumps almost, and my nose is filled with blackheads. Even after following a consistent skincare routine all the time, I still face such issues. I have a very oily nose area and very dry cheeks, so I just did not know how to balance it out. So if I use a heavy moisturizer, it will definitely help my cheeks area, but it will really clog the pores in my nose area and make it really blackhead hub. As far as I know, in India, there has never been a very acne specific brand that focuses on these acne stages and has specific products for like each stage, so you know what exactly you are meant to use. And there's a newly launched brand called Acne Squad, it's in the name, that does exactly that. It's India's first targeted skincare brand for acne and takes like a stage approach for every stage of acne that I mentioned before. In fact, I found out about my acne stage from their website. So as I told you, I'm on stage 2 currently, that's clogged pores. I have been using their stage 2 specific products since 2 weeks and I am stunned because I have not had a single breakout episode in the past 2 weeks. Like whatever was existing is still fading away, but there was nothing new. There were no new blackheads, no extra bumps on my skin, and I have not had a zit or a pimple since the last 2 weeks because these things did not convert into the third stage. So let me quickly share the products that I have added to my skincare routine. First, I use their Kickstart cleanser. It has salicylic acid, which helps to cleanse the skin nicely and it kills all the bacteria and it really makes the skin clean. Next, I use their Wonder Toner with 4% PHA. It is a very mild toner. It doesn't sting or itch in your skin, but still somehow makes it fresh, and it prevents excess sebum to produce in your skin and keeps it very clear and blemish free. Now, the magic potion that I absolutely love, you can see I have already like finished half the bottle. It's a breakout blocker serum. It is 2% salicylic acid. It helps to exfoliate the skin properly. It unclogs your blocked pores and helps immensely with blackheads and whiteheads. And lastly, their multitasker moisturizer plus sunscreen is SPF 25 and PA++. It also has vitamin E and vitamin B3. It provides sun protection, which is very important when you're using all these serums. It also reduces oxidative stress that produces acne, like the sun damage acne. It's very helpful with that. Now additionally, like twice a week I exfoliate my skin, once with the exfoliating scrub. It also has salicylic acid. It helps to remove all the dead skin. It's really great. And their incredible peeling tonic, which has 5% AHA, 1% BHA, and it's very mild on the skin. It doesn't sting and everything, but it does the job. It removes dead cells. It makes the skin really clear after you wash away, and skin actually feels smooth, like a whole layer of dirt and dead skin has shed off. It's also very helpful to reduce hyperpigmentation and uneven skin tone and everything. And not to mention, I absolutely love their packaging, like such bright cute colors. They also have different colors for other stages. I think it's a very important breakthrough in the skincare industry to have targeted approached skincare, because everything else is like very generalized. It saves so much time and effort. Look into ingredients, do the research, read the reviews and everything before trying out a new product, especially if you have acne prone sensitive skin. I know it's very scary. So I think Acne Squad really solves all of this. You don't have to worry about creating a new routine because they'll basically create it for you. All these products are safe for all skin types, even the most sensitive skin types. They are all backed by dermatologists. I truly saw a very visible improvement in my skin, especially all these whiteheads that were troubling me. I am really impressed by this. There is a link in my description in case you want to find out for yourself what is your acne stage and give a try to Acne Squad's products. I hope this video was helpful. If you liked it, then please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I will see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye.